Okay, welcome to episode number 52. Been a while here. I've had a lot going on. Couldn't get back to my work here in the shop. But this video is pretty much mostly high speed because it's a long process of cutting metal, cutting the floor. So there's two things here. There's finish up the cutout and layout of the floor, and also work on the cowl vent up front. So that's the two main things that's in this video. So sit back and relax and watch it. We'll be back with more. I've got the film shot, I just haven't got it on camera, or on edited rather. So I will, there will be more later. My cats will leave me alone here. First test fit of the floor.
Huh?
Got that. I'm making film.
Oh, sorry.
So hush. Anyway, first test fit of the floor. Grandson and I got that cut out today, and he got it cut out. We got it laid out. It's got to be a little trimming, but it looks good. It's progress in the right direction. So we're sickling along here at a high rate of speed, not getting anywhere. More later. Well, we got the floor cut out to fit. I'm now going to punch some holes in it, do some welding. I have a punch to punch around the edges. Old Roper Whitney punch I've had for, I forgot how many years, a long time. I'm marking off the holes now, and then I will put it in the punch. The punch mounts in my table. It's part of my 4-inch or 2-inch square tubing base that I can put some of my tools on my table. Take them off when I'm not using them, and the table's flat and clean all the way across. So that punch is sitting in down in that reducer sleeve
that's welded to the table. So doing a little marking for holes, and then we'll get going. Basically putting the holes 1 inch apart along the 2 outer edges, and then there'll be no holes at the back. It'll be stitch welded. The front will be drilled once I know exactly where to drill them. And then there's a brace that goes across the center, and as soon as I have it broke and get it in place, then I'll mark those off. But I thought I'd punch these edges while I can. So let's see what that looks like. Wrong way. The base of the die is exactly 3 inches above the table, so basic, just use 2 2x for the height, and that leaves the punch right at the metal right at the punch height. And it's a simple operation to just line the punch up with where my mark is. It's easier if you center punch it and then let the point of the die go down into the center punch, and it helps locate it. So I will go and center punch these in place. I need a block of wood under them so the punch goes in better. So I'll do that. I'll punch a few after that and get back on camera. I just make film. We're doing a small piece. We're easy to move. It's 180 piece. My grandson here usually helps me with it. You get the idea. Basically, punch across the edges. And we'll take it over to my 12 foot break I have and break the edges underneath. And then we'll okay. Hold down center like a drill those. Now, probably drill with a magnetic drill so I can do it by hand. So, we'll run some of this film, but mostly you see how it goes. It takes time. And, but that's all the lines over going. And I usually 4 inch, so this 9 seconds, a little bit bigger. I'm going to do a little more. So there you go. I'll keep doing this. Till you're done. Well, another day in the shop. Time to sit back and have a cold one. And marvel at how much we got done today. Or maybe we're disappointed in the amount we got done today. But it works. We're having fun. More later.